celebrates its Independence Day every year on 15th August. But why do we still hoist national flag on 26th January, which is a Republic Day? You think you know the difference between Independence Day and Republic Day? Well, today, let us try to understand the difference between the two.
On August 15, 1947, India got its freedom, signifying the nation's liberation from 2 centuries of British rule. Each year, India celebrates this occasion, acknowledging the liberty and sacrifices made by numerous freedom fighters who strived to emancipate the nation from the British Empire.
Another pivotal juncture in India's history is Republic Day, which falls on the 26th of January. On 26 January 1950, India's constitution came into effect, replacing the Government of India Act 1935 as the governing document of India. This made India into a republic state separate from the British Raj.
Republic Day is marked by military parades, musical performances, poetic recitals, dance presentations, and hoisting of the flag. The flag raising on August 15 pays tribute to Independence Day, symbolizing India's liberation from British rule after a sustained struggle and sacrifice by its freedom fighters across 2 centuries. Conversely, Republic Day lauds democracy, a cornerstone that India formally embraced in 1950 through the adoption of its constitution.
Well, now we hope you understood the difference between Independence Day and Republic Day. Midday wishes you all a very happy Independence Day.
Your window to India and the world. Midday. Local Pulse, Global Perspective.